So, hello, long time no see. Yeah, as I said, won't film much, I'll focus on working instead. So, the engine is done as before, but still some small fuel lining and everything is done. So I'm going to attempt to start it today. Got the fuel system made, cheap stuff as usual, hydraulic lines and plastic lines and everything, and got the filler neck that Per made in the roof, of course with Mercedes stock filling neck or the door, and yeah, got some electrics done and like this main switch and stuff like that, and got the fuel pump working and everything. So I think the only thing we need now is to fill it up with fuel and see if it starts. It has no tune right now and the piggyback is not in, so I'm just going to start it with the standard engine management for now. So just got it working, and then I'll put the piggyback on, so we know everything works before we put the piggyback on, so doesn't get any weird stuff. So yeah, let's go get some fuel. So let's get some oil through the engine, and I'll take the fuel pump relay off and drive the engine around a little bit so it gets some oil. The engine needed a ground as well. Who would have thought? Now the engine should have oil, so let's turn on the fuel pump. Let's see what it does. Crank position sensor also helps. So we got spark, but it seems like we don't get any fuel through the injectors. So I have to check if the injectors fire at all, or if there's something else, but the fuel pump should deliver fuel, so I don't know really why it doesn't happen anything, but I'll check into that tomorrow. So yeah, to be continued. So I found the problem. It was I had put the feed and return line on the fuel rail the wrong way, of course. Even though I checked it like 10 times, but still I managed to put them the wrong way, so it wouldn't get any fuel, of course. So yeah, it's now it should start. So let's try it if it doesn't have any leaks. First. Now I can hear the return fuel coming back into the tank, so that sounds a lot better. Let's try it. Of course, running really rich. So yeah, it works. Turbo spins alright, and no leaks yet whatsoever. So I had it up to operating temperature and got it in its so it the original engine management put a little bit less fuel, so then the idle cleared up, so it sounded a lot better than in the beginning. So yeah, it runs really rich because of course it's original cold start still in, because the original engine management is still in, and the injectors are at least twice the size that the ones that was originally there. So yeah, it's running rough right now, but we'll clean it up with the ECU Masters piggyback and start looking into that now. And but yeah, very fun to see it start for the first time, and seems to be running pretty good like otherwise. So everything, no leaks or surprises.